This war destroys everything, but not the will to survive. The Gazans fight all the hard circumstances to live a decent life, which is one of the most basic human rights they should simply have. On Ashura Day, which is one of the most great days, we remind ourselves how Allah survived His messenger Musa, peace be upon him, from Firaun, and we believe that Allah is the one who could and can survive us from this awful war. And to have a great ajr, today is Saturday, the 5th of July 2025. We الخدمت USA, in partnership with the الخدمت Foundation Pakistan, are distributing a clean drinking water for the needy and displaced people at the Sheikh Ridwan area in the north of Gaza Strip.